I'm Brandon and welcome to another tutorial from Serenity Design's YouTube channel. I am the founder and lead designer of Serenity Design, and today I'm going to be using Adobe Lightroom. The version is the latest one, so it's Lightroom CC. So today what we're going to be focusing on is just basically the basics of the program, so just where the main controls are, how to navigate the user interface, and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using macOS today, so this is macOS Catalina, but the controls are the same for Windows as well. The only difference is that this bar is actually in the Adobe window and not on the Mac as it is here. So when you open Adobe Lightroom for the first time, you'll be taken to the home screen. So here you'll have tutorials. So here you can sort of see what you can do. This is interactive edits. So if you're new to photo editing, you can see, so this is the original picture, and then this is what they did with Lightroom. This is the original picture, this is what they did with Lightroom. So you can see the power of what you've got. So this is the original picture, this is what they did with Lightroom. So it kind of just gives you a bit of inspiration, shows you what you can do. You know, this one's really quite drastic change there. This one, making the saturation, the colours nicer. So at the top here, you have your stuff, so it will be in a grayed out bit here. I'm just going to go on to do not disturb, so we don't keep getting those things attacking our attacking the screen here. So here you have your recent files. This is the files I've worked on. But apart from the home screen, you go down to this bit on the left hand side. It's kind of like where you change the window. So this one with the books is my photos. So this is where all of the photos that you've worked on are. So I went to Winter Wonderland over the festive period. So we took a lot of photos in Winter Wonderland in London, and some of them are edited, some of them didn't. So you know, these ones I didn't get to edit, but these ones I edited, and that one I edited, these ones I edited. And then these are some book artwork. So here you have all the photos, but this is not your photo library, so you need to import them. So the way you do that is you go to this plus button, so you click add photos. You go to wherever you want to add some photos, so I'll just go into the downloaded one. Let's find a random photo. Let's edit. Pick one. Let's edit this one. So then you review for import. So you could do a mass import, so you don't have to just do one at a time. You can do loads. Obviously, it will take a little longer depending how many you're importing. But this one, I just want to add to new. None, because I don't have different albums. I just have one album. But if you have different albums, that's how you create them. And then you add the photo, and it will now be in your Lightroom library. So when you want to edit a photo, you click on it, and double click, and then it will take over the screen. So unfortunately you can't really get rid of this pane, it's a bit annoying. But the editing tools, so this is where you get to the file, this is how you edit it. So on the left hand side is how you get to the file, right hand side is where you edit the file. So on top is, well, edit. Oh, I forgot. Okay, yes, okay, so it does go away eventually. So when you open up this side, it gets rid of this side. Okay, that's new. That never used to do that. I'm still getting used to this new one. So you know, you can zoom in, you can pan around. It's quite a simple user interface. It's not as overbearing as something like Photoshop. So here you can do different controls like exposure. You can make it a bit darker, you make it really bright. That would be really stupid, but you know what I mean. So you can change the contrast, you can change everything here. So this is where you change it. You can do colors. I'll be doing individual tutorials, by the way, about these controls in another video. But so this just changes the colors, you can change the texture, you can change everything, you can do lots of different things. And then down here on the bottom, you can see the original photo. So here is the edited photo. It's very badly edited, it's horrible. This is the original photo. So you can always go back and see the changes that you've made. Further on here, you've got cropping, so you can crop and rotate the photo as you wish. You've got healing, so if there's something you want to get rid of, there you go. That's again really bad edit there, but you get the idea. So if there's a blemish or you want to get rid of these leaves, for example, there you go. And you can base it there, move it around, and then it changes it there. You've got brushes, so you can brush the controls there. You've got gradients, you've got radial gradients, and then just some basic controls there. But last but not least, you go on to sharing, and then this is where you share your photos, as the name prescribes. And that is basically the overview of the interface for Lightroom. I will be again doing more tutorials about the individual controls in Lightroom and how to use the different tools. So yeah, keep an eye out for those. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe for future tutorials. I'll be uploading a lot more tutorials in the days and weeks and months to come. So get on that. They're all free to use. You have to pay a lot for Photoshop and Adobe Workshop. So just these little nice videos are good for me to make because I love these apps. I use them every day. But also, if you're just learning, we've all been there. We've all had to start from the very beginning. So, if you like the videos, show some appreciation, like the videos, subscribe to the channel, and watch out for future videos. And have a good day.